welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you all how to do invisible lock, and I'm showing you this method without extensions. For this style, I'm using my Shine and Jam gel and I'm sectioning off his hair. Now this is what his hair would look like when you don't use clips to section them off, and this is what the entire style would look like. I'm taking two of the individual locks and I'm taking it and I'm crossing it across each other and I'm holding it and I'm twisting it down, and then I'm going on the opposite side, twisting it to the roots to ensure that it's not tight but twist it to the roots, because you don't want it to loose because it won't make your style look neat. I'm splitting that section in two, and just as you would two-strand twist, you're doing the same method with the person's ras or with their locks. For security, you'll take your rubber band. I double my rubber band or sometimes triple it depending on how thick the hair is, and yeah, I just secure it. So this is what your client's hair should look like, if not better. Right? So yeah, so I really hope that you guys liked this video. Feel free to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another one.